Today's video is sponsored by King Metals. They've got all your fabrication needs in one location. From hinges to hardware, balusters to metal decor, brass to aluminum, and a whole lot more. You name it, they've got it. Check them out today at kingmetals.com. Now let's get back to today's video. Hey everybody, Jimbo here. Well, the much anticipated wait is over. The building is finally here and they're getting started. After numerous delays and a lot of problems along the way, the building arrived here at my property at 9 o'clock last night, and these guys are at it this morning, and this is the first layout right here. They're just getting the truck unloaded and they are starting to lay some rails and stuff down for the new shop. It's finally going to happen, and I will keep you guys posted as we move along and show you the progress as it goes along.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.